Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile on Airbnb. So first tap profile, and then on the top it says show profile, tap there, and then on the top right corner you can tap edit, and then there you can edit your profile. So if you want to add your about me, you tap on add, and then you can tell the app a little bit about yourself so your future host and guests can get to know you. So for example, I have a cute dog and have an awesome baby. And then once I'm done, on the top right there I can just tap save and wait until it's loading, and then you can change your location and then edit. You can enter work, so example, and then tap done, and then you can also edit your languages. So you can just take the language that you speak, and then you can tap done, and then when you're done, on the top right it's tap save, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.